Hi, boys and girls. We're going to go over some vocabulary that deals with three-dimensional shapes that you're going to see this week with your math lessons. The first word or information is two-dimensional shapes, which are basically flat shapes that are drawn, which you see here. The next one is three-dimensional shapes. They have depth, and you can pick them up. And we're going to go over a few of these. One thing that a three-dimensional shape has is a face. A face is a flat side, and the arrow is pointing to one of the faces of this cube. They also have vertex or vertices. That's a point where two or more lines or edges meet. So there's an arrow pointing to a vertex, which is you can also think of as a corner. 2 points are meeting, it's making a corner of this cube. All the red dots are the vertices of this cube. Three-dimensional shapes also have edges. An edge is a line segment where two faces meet. The arrow is pointing to an edge. So if you pick up a three-dimensional shape, you can feel the edges. The cube here has all of the edges shown in dark lines and then dotted lines. Those are the ones that you can't see when you look at the three-dimensional shape. So if we're seeing through it, those are the ones that would be behind it. Here's a three-dimensional shape. It's a cube. It has 6 equal-sized faces. It also has 12 edges and 8 vertices. So I always think of a cube as like a block. A cone has a round base and a circular top that comes to a vertex at the tip. So that's the point. If you flip it upside down, it's like an ice cream cone. A pyramid. The base is square and the side faces are triangles. It also, at the point, comes to the top has a vertex at the point there. Do you see that? A cylinder. It has a round base and a round top. And they're both circles. So you can see the top here is a circle. And then the outside, of course, is round. So there's really no flat edges on the cylinder. There's no vertices either, as you can see. A sphere has no sides, no vertices or edges, and it's round like a ball. So if you ever get a question that says, what shape has no sides, no vertices, and no edges, it's a sphere. I hope going over these vocabulary words will help you in math lessons, as always, this video to replay it at any time.